Hi everybody, this is Librarian Cara at the Springfield Public Library, and I'm here today to talk to you about NoveList, an amazing tool to find your next read at the library. Here I am on the library's main page, whereminsgrow.org, and I can search the catalog directly from here. And I'm going to look up The Hunger Games because I like that book and I want to see is there something similar that I might enjoy reading. So if I choose the book, which happens to be the first result on that search, it'll give me a lot of information about the book. It'll tell me who owns the book, and oh, look, it's not available right now. Somebody has it checked out. But right above that, I can see content from NoveList. And that is what I want to click on to open a whole new world of information. First of all, it lets me know that there are 4 books in this trilogy, not 3. Did you know that last year, The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes was released? Might be interesting, but maybe I want a different book to read. And for me, it's very important to recognize that not everybody likes a book for the same reasons. And so this tool, NoveList, is not just trying to tell me, hey, you like The Hunger Games, you will like this book. It's actually going to give me enough information to start making decisions as to will I perhaps like the book. So for instance, Divergent. Okay, it's got a strong female main character in a dystopian story with romance. Well, maybe I didn't like the romance in The Hunger Game, and so therefore, Divergent might be the right recommendation for somebody else looking for a similar read to The Hunger Games, but not the right recommendation for me. Similarly, if I look at authors like Joelle Charbonneau, it will say, if you like Suzanne Collins, here's why you might like Joelle Charbonneau. And it also gives me information about what story elements they've identified that might be why I like the book and might help me make more decisions about my next read. So NoveList is an amazing resource. Again, you can reach it through our catalog by clicking on that tab above where it says what's available, content from NoveList. You can also reach it through the main site by clicking on Books and More, and you can just search a book and go straight to NoveList. You do need your library card number to access it that way. And remember, if you need help finding your next read, you can also go to our read page under Books and More and get staff pick recommendations, award winner lists, and other important lists of books that might be of interest to you. And you can always fill out the personalized picks form on the website where you tell us what you like to read and the librarians choose books for you that you might like. Thanks very much. Have a great day.